None. So that means everybody in this particular room learn already about the SPSS. Then why you come here? Because you want to make yourself familiar and polish up your skill. It's good. Okay. So inside the SPSS, when you open any SPSS, you got these two variable view. You got these two view. The first one is called data view. The next one is variable view, right? Okay. Please click that one a few times. Data view, variable view. Data view, variable view. Data view, variable view. Data view, variable view. More than 100 should be good. Because it will make yourself familiarize. Okay, what is the variable, what is data. Okay, so in the first thing first, we need to design and also explain our variable. I already give you a piece of paper. Did you receive it? Okay, that piece of paper actually a data set that already been collected by our numerators. Numerators means that our data collectors lah. This is only the example. So we are going to use this particular data. Puan Zakira, please. Ada yang tak dapat lagi this data set. Okay, who did not receive this data set? Please raise up your hand or raise up your eyebrow like this so that we know that you don't get the data. Okay. Alright, so inside this one you got a lots of variables, right? The first one is ID and then label, value and so on. So to understand the use of SPSS, you must first understand the row and column and also the data view and variable view. Okay, please go to the variable view. You can see here we got name, we got type, width, decimal and label. So first one, we have to setting up our data. So the name we put here as the ID. Why we put ID? Because ID indicate the number of respondent. Because in research, theoretically speaking, ethically speaking, we are intend to make it anonymously. That means we cannot identify who is she, who is he. Okay. So when you click ID, automatically the type will be numeric as default. The width will be 8, decimal will be 2, label will be ignored, values will be ignored, and everything will be ignored. Why? Because ID is nothing to do with analysis. ID is just to arrange your data according to the ascending order or descending order. Just to make it tally with your original dataset in the CSV file or Excel file that you downloaded from your databases. Okay, the next one is X1. You type the X1. X1 is what? You so clever lah. How you know? I also did not explain that one. Because you can see on the paper, it's indicate the label is gender, right? Okay, if you go to the type, you can see this 3 dot, and then if you hit this 3 dot, it will change the type of the data. As default, the SPSS will be recognize anything with regard to your data as numeric. But if you have date, time, money, string data, scientific notation, or whatsoever, you can change it accordingly. So in this particular example, we just proceed with the numeric value. And then width will be 8, decimal will be 2, label will be gender. Remember, please use as simple as possible the name in that particular column. Ni, column ni, jangan tulis panjang-panjang. Tulis pendek-pendek. Why? Because we can easily manipulate the analysis later on. Okay, X1 is our gender, and please also remember this particular highlighted column need to be set up. Need to be set up if your data or your variable is nominal or ordinal. If you got any nominal or ordinal, you have to set up this value. Example, gender is nominal or ordinal? Or interval ratio? Nominal, right? Very good. You are so clever. Then you click this one and then you give it the name as according to the example. 1 for Malay. You know Malay? Male. Okay. 2 for female. Example. After that, you click you click OK ke cancel? If you click cancel, you do it over and over again until the end of your life. No, you click the OK button. After that, you go to the missing. Missing will only be applicable if you got missing values. If you do not have any missing value, you are very confident. Oh, my data do not have missing value. Then it's okay. But if your data got missing value, you might want to set this one. Example, you click this 3 button and then you go to the discrete missing value and then you spell it out accordingly. Example, you put 999. 39 over there. What does that mean? Missing. So computer will understand the 9999 in this particular variable x1 gender is missing. That means your respondent did not declare their gender. Right? Have you experienced that one? Yeah. If you register to any Google account nowadays, they don't even bother whether you male or female. You can tick, I prefer do not tell. Wow, that is interesting. Example. Alright? And then you can hit the OK button. So the computer is already there, and the computer also be very clever already that 999 is considered missing. But if you put number 1 and 2, then the computer also understand number 1 is Malay, number 2 is female. Very good. And then don't forget to assign the measures as nominal. Okay, can you do that? Can you please do that on all this particular data set? I give you, how many minutes you want? If you